Hey, what's going on, everybody? I have another clipper to do an unboxing of, and could this actually be a all-in-one barber kit? Looks like we have one in our hands. I love the design of it. That's what attracted me to it, and it brings a lot of different little features. So we are talking about the KiKis. I know, sounds crazy, but yes, we are talking about the KiKi's professional, what I would consider grooming kit. It says for families. Let's open this box up and see if it's actually worth it. This is one of the reasons why I decided to pick this guy up. Comes with a comb. Not a very good comb, but better than the last comb I tried on my beard. Let's put this aside. It comes with two scissors, an actual scissors, so we're gonna have to test out how good that is. Thinning shear, where you can put your scissors right here. Little guide of everything that it comes with, so you'll see as we pull everything out, it comes with this. So that's cool. You have this little document paper that tells you what comes inside of it. It comes with a cape. Let's open this up and see how good it is. It's got some Chinese branding on it. Doesn't look to be very big, but again, if they are advertising this as a family, like a family kit, then yeah, this is definitely not a good cape. Look, it has the strings, so this is a throwaway. But if you're doing this for your family, then it's not. These are always good to have right here. Good way to clean off the hair, or even your clipper. This is a US adapter plug. It looks retarded. I'm not really a fan of the plug, but it looks like some of the other plugs that I have with maybe the suckers or the KEMEI, so I should be able to use that without having to adapt it like this. And it has a USB adapter, so I like this. I like when they bring this. I think companies are starting to understand that that's a technology worth utilizing. So very good. We have the adapter for the USB. Let's put that aside. These clips. That's pretty good. You got two of these. Again, I'm very impressed with how much crap they're sticking in this box to get you started. If you're just maybe a mom or a dad, or you know, maybe even you're a working professional, I'm not sure. This is definitely for a beginner. This setup, I don't know how good the clipper is gonna be. That's really what I'm interested in. But again, for the unboxing experience, we are showing you off what this has. You got your little brush. This is what I would use mainly if I was gonna be using it to clean the clipper. Move everything aside. Let's move this over here real quick. See what guards it brings. So I'm not sure why I got two number 7s, but this is a guards it's gonna come with. Let's move all this over here. Finally, we'll get to the clipper itself. This is really why I bought this clipper, not for that other stuff, because of the look and design of this machine. Model number NG-888A. And then its charge time is 4 to 5 hours. That's kind of a long time for charging. Working time, 240 minutes. A lithium battery at 2,000 milliamps. So, you know, more or less what I'm finding with most of these clippers, wireless clippers, Chinese knockoff clippers. I'm not sure if this is a knockoff of anything. If you know what this is a knockoff of, please leave a comment down below. It says driving motor won't get hot for continuous use. A high carbon blade, so, and it's using the ridge blade. It is oiled up. The throw seems pretty good. That always makes me happy. It even tells me that I can zero gap this. And another reason why I like this is because it does have the LCD display. And that's it as far as this box. And let's turn this on and see if there's any charge to it. There is charge. You can see at 100%. This is also like some of the other clippers. I think some of the suckers that I've taken a look at also has like a reverse type. Like most clippers, you hit it down to turn it on, off will be up, but in this case it's reverse. And if you've never experienced that, it kind of throws you off at first because you're always wanting to go like that to turn it on. It is what it is. I really definitely like the design of this. It has a very simplistic design. It's nice. It's all black. It's like a blacked out, but it's not a glossy black, which I like. A little bit more glossy in the back where you have where you can put your hands. I love the ridges here where it gives you access to really be able to grip the machine. The design as far as slimness looks really good. The display, it's weird because you have this large display right here and yet you only have this small little LCD display. So I don't understand why you have all this wasted dead space here. It's a little weird, but it's still a really nice looking machine. Interesting to see if this blade cuts very well. I'll definitely be zero gapping in. So yes, if you buy this machine and you don't like the blade, you can easily swap it out for a Wahl blade. If it's the Legends blade, if it's the Senior blade, the Fade blade, any of those Wahl blades that you prefer, you can slap it on this because that is the format that they constantly use. I haven't come across one of these clippers that actually use a Oster's or an Andes. It's just not what they've done so far. They've stuck to Wahls. So you can definitely just know that you can adapt this. Most people have Wahls, they're not using Andes as much. I'm not saying that everybody, I'm just saying at this moment, the majority of people are buying a lot of Wahl clippers. So if you prefer a certain blade that you use out of your other machines and this one's not cutting right, then just go ahead and use that. As for me, I'm going to test out the blade because that's very important when I do these reviews, is the whole package. It's not just about how good the machine is, but does it come with a good blade? Because we have to, add the cost to that part of the clipper. So what I've come to realize is that a lot of these clippers are good. They have strong motors, and a lot of times the only thing I have to do is change out the blade. But there have been some cases where I didn't have to change the blade. So we're gonna be doing a full review of that. So if you haven't already, make sure you like, share, and subscribe because you're gonna wanna follow up because I will be doing a follow-up full review of this machine. Just not in this video. This is just a strictly unboxing. So my thoughts will come in a couple weeks after using this for a while, and I'll let you know. Again, I really like the design of this machine. It looks really good. It actually feels good. It has a good weight. It doesn't feel like some of the machines I've had. There's a specific machine that I have that looks great, but man, does it feel like a toy, and it could throw people off. This one doesn't feel that way. This one feels good in the hands. It has good ergonomics, and I'm excited to test this out. So again, guys, stay tuned because we'll be doing a full review on this much sooner than you think. I'm gonna get my hands on this and use it as much as I can so I can give you my full final thoughts in a following video. So guys, thank you again, and I'll see you around. Peace.